Ever cut dessert bars and they just fall apart? Today I'm making Rye Shortbread Jam Bars with a Pistachio Oat Crumble that slice clean, stack neat, and taste unreal. Stay to the end for my clean-cut trick. You only need simple pantry ingredients: rye flour for structure, butter for that shortbread snap, and egg yolk for binding, jam that won't soak the crust, plus oats and pistachios for the crumble. In a bowl, whisk your dry ingredients until totally even. That little bit of cornstarch is a quiet hero. It helps the bars slice clean instead of crumbling. Work in cold butter until it looks like damp sand. You want tiny buttery bits everywhere. That's what gives shortbread that tender, crisp bite. Now add the egg yolk and mix just until the dough starts clumping. The yolk adds fat and emulsifiers, basically extra glue for sturdy bars. Press it firmly into a parchment-lined pan, especially the corners. Even compression is the difference between clean squares and crumbly heartbreak. For the topping, mix oats, pistachios, sugar, and butter until you get chunky crumbles. You're building texture on top without drying out the base. Give the crust a short head start in the oven. This helps it set up so the jam stays glossy on top instead of soaking in. While that bakes, warm your jam just until it thickens and turns glossy. A quick heat up makes it spreadable and keeps your bars from getting soggy. Spread the jam edge to edge in a thin, even layer. Keep it level so every square gets that perfect bite of fruit. Now sprinkle on that pistachio oat crumble. Don't press it down, let it bake into crisp little clusters. Bake until the top is golden and your kitchen smells like buttery toast and berries. The center should look set, not wet. Here's the hard part: let the pan cool completely. Cooling time is part of the recipe. This is when the structure locks in. For clean cuts, use a sharp knife, warm it, wipe it, slice. For the full written recipe and extra troubleshooting, check the link in the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com.